Making your first date exciting. Set the stage. So, you've got a first date lined up. It's a big deal, right? Let's dive into some psychological tricks to make it unforgettable. Importance of comfort. Remember, the most important thing is to feel comfortable in your own skin. Authenticity is key, creating a positive atmosphere. Choose a suitable venue. The location can set the tone. Consider your date's interests and preferences. A place that sparks conversation and makes you both feel at ease is ideal. Mindful body language. Your body language speaks volumes. Maintain eye contact, smile, and lean in slightly to show interest. Active listening. Show genuine interest in your date by actively listening. Ask open-ended questions and avoid interrupting. Shared experiences. Find common ground. Sharing experiences can create a sense of connection and make the conversation flow more naturally. Building excitement and anticipation. Teasing and playfulness. A little teasing can be fun and create a sense of anticipation. Just make sure it's light-hearted and respectful. Surprise elements. A small surprise can add excitement. It could be a unique activity, a thoughtful gift, or even a spontaneous change of plans. Emotional connection. Share personal anecdotes or stories that reveal something about yourself. This can deepen the connection and make the date more meaningful. Closing thoughts. Be yourself. The most important thing is to be authentic. Let your personality shine through. Follow up. If you had a good time, don't hesitate to follow up with a text or message. A simple, "I had a great time," can go a long way. Remember, the goal is to create a relaxed, enjoyable, and memorable experience for both of you. By incorporating these psychological tips, you can increase the likelihood of a successful and exciting first date. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe.